What you doing, Abby?
Barbie car.
You're playing with Barbie car?
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Adam.
I never stickers.
Oh, I know. You pulled the sticker off. That's okay. What happened? Why don't you pick up the fire truck from the floor, then you wouldn't step on it. Put it away by the cars. Hey, you. Hey, you. Adam. Adam, pick up that red fire truck, please, and put it away. Where does it go? On the table? Who's in that car with Barbie? Oh, Stacy. Or Stacy's? She's in there? Oh, I know. I see. They're going around the track. They're cruising. They're hungry. Are they going to go have some dinner? What kind of dinner are they going to have? What? What are they going to have for dinner, Abby? I don't know what that is.
Baby jelly.
Oh, what do you think they're going to have, Adam?
Baby jelly.
That's shocking.
Baby jelly.
Abby, what are they going to have for dinner? Dinner. Maybe they'll have some pizza. Okay.